Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix no network connection on TikTok. So guys, you can see here I'm facing the same problem, no network connection, connect to the internet and try again. To fix this, what you have to do is just simply go back to your home screen, and then what you have to do is just simply open settings. And if you're using mobile data, then what you have to do is just simply tap on mobile data and make sure that you have a strong enough connection. And then what you have to do is just simply tap on network selection and turn the toggle on for this, and then go back. And if you are using Wi-Fi, then hit on Wi-Fi and turn it off, and then turn it on again. So you can see here, and then go back, and then from here you have to tap on general and go to iPhone storage, and from here tap on TikTok and then offload app from here. You can see here it's uploading. Then what you have to do is just simply reinstall the app. So you can see here the app is reinstalled, and then close this page and open again TikTok, and from here refresh the page. So close this page again and again open TikTok. So you can see here it's done. So that is guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. This will allow you to be notified whenever a new videos is uploaded.